Hello, this is Nathan Abbott from the Nathan Abbott team at Resort Quest Real Estate. Have you been looking to achieve the deal on your perfect real estate property? Today I'm going to be sharing buyer tips to help make that happen. When you're looking for a great deal on a property that you envision as the perfect property, it's important to go very detailed on your specifics with your agent. The more that you can share with us, the better position we are to help you find that perfect property. And don't hold back. Share with us a price point that you definitely don't want to go above, because we'll use that as a cap to research all the properties at that price point and below. Share with us the minimum number of square footage that you want, number of bedrooms, whether you're looking for a primary residence, a second home, a vacation property, investment property. These are all different criteria. And we have quite a variety of properties in our area along the Emerald Coast. But go deep on the specifics, because we only want to send you properties that perfectly align with your needs versus stuff that's above your financial threshold or just stuff that doesn't align with what you're truly looking for. It is extremely important to be very well documented financially. If you're getting a loan, it's important to be pre-qualified or have a pre-approval letter in place before the showing starts, because this way you can truly look at the properties that align with your financial positioning and negotiate from a maximum position, because the seller thinks that you're a real buyer because you do have that documentation. If you're paying cash, cash is king. But again, be verified with your funding. Whether that can be a letter from your banking institution or a copy of your bank account, anything that shows that you do have a verification of funds to pay cash. We have amazing lenders locally. It's important to help us align you with the best lender for your needs that's already familiar with our properties in our area. When you see a property online, you gotta act quickly. We're gonna only be sending you properties that align with your interests as long as you're specific about your details. It will email you a property the day it hits the market, so you never miss out on an opportunity. When you see that property that checks all the boxes, act quickly, because there's probably 5 to 7 other people that are thinking the exact same thing as you are, and that's to submit an offer on that property. If you can get your offer in before anyone else, then you have the best chance of negotiating an achievable deal before the other buyers get in the mix. When you find that perfect property, it's also important to come in with your offer with a better foot forward versus completely undercutting the market with an offer that is unrealistic and well below the market value. If you do this, there's a good chance that the seller will become reactive, defensive, not take you very seriously, may reach out to their agent and ask them to reach out to anyone that's shown interest recently to see if they too want to put in an offer. Then you're in a position of maybe being in a bidding war, and you don't want to be in that place. You want that seller to take your offer serious enough that he's only focusing on trying to achieve a deal with you. I've seen a lot of times when people put in an offer way too low and they end up having to pay more for the property than if they were to come in with their first offer being a little bit higher of the spectrum. When you draft that offer with your agent, you want to try to minimize contingencies. If you're writing every possible way that you can cancel the property, cancel your offer on the property, the less likely that seller is going to take you seriously. You want to make sure you're protected with the proper contingencies in place, but to try to minimize those so that it shows that you are truly focused on trying to close on that property. There's a lot of little things that you can do. We're here to help guide you, help you find the best property for your specific needs, negotiate from a maximum position, and these are some tips that will help you get to the finish line with ultimate results. We hope we have the opportunity to work for you. Please don't hesitate to call the Nathan Abbott team, and we're here to serve your real estate needs. Thank you. I hope you have an amazing day.